Today on Ask Your Agent, what kinds of home repairs are important to do before selling my house? Making home repairs prior to selling can be a smart move to make sure your home is in good condition and attractive to potential buyers. Here are some things to consider when making repairs. First, take a look at your home and identify any issues that need attention. This could include things like leaky faucets, damaged flooring, loose stair railings, or cracked windows, to name just a few. Prioritize the repairs based on their importance and cost. Focus on fixing major issues first before moving on to smaller cosmetic repairs. If your home's systems aren't in good working order, those sorts of things would need to be addressed first. But don't expect to get added value on the price because you've replaced a broken water heater or AC system. Those types of things aren't upgrades. Those are things that are expected to be properly functioning when a house transfers to another owner. One of a few possible exceptions to that would be if you were selling to an investor who would buy the house at a lower price and fix it themselves when they take possession. Consider hiring a professional to assess your home's condition and make recommendations for repairs. This can be especially helpful if you're unsure of what repairs are necessary or how to make them. Make sure any repairs you make are up to code and meet local regulations. It's important to know when you can do the repairs yourself or hire an unlicensed handyman versus when you would need to use a licensed professional to do the work, possibly even needing a permit, depending on what's being done. This can help avoid an array of issues down the line, including having to redo work. Overall, making necessary repairs can help your home sell more quickly and for a higher price. Just make sure to prioritize repairs and accomplish those that are most likely to add value to your home. My team and I are happy to talk to you about what things are best in terms of adding value. So please reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, a home changes everything.